Hello, good morning. How are you all doing? Guess what, guys? I woke up and my eyes are so tired, so weak looking, and guess what? I really need to give it a treat. So what I did, I went and I whipped up my remedy right here. This is what I use under my eyes when my eyes have dark circles, when it's tired, when there's puffy eyes and eye bags, because this is like a quick fix. So what I do, I whip this up and I put it in the refrigerator to chill. Not to worry, I'm going to share the recipe right after this demonstration. And then I take my 2 cotton pads, I soak it in my solution, like really soak it in, and then I kind of take out the excess. And let me put this away really quick. And then I just open my cotton pads like this, and then I just place them over my eyes like this, and I use my fingers and I just press it under my eyes. Just press it. It's a very cold since I keep this in the refrigerator. And I just put a patter right under my eyes, and then I just let it sit on my eyes just like this. Now it's feeling really good. I can feel the cold sensation. What this is doing is helping to reduce the puffy under eyes. It also helping to get rid of the eye bags. It also helping to get rid of my tired eyes. And guess what? It also helped to clear my dark under eye circles. This remedy, as I said, guys, is one that you can use when you're in a rush. I'm using ingredients that are rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C are known to clear the pigmentation, and I'm using ingredients that are cooling to the under eyes that will help to get rid of the tired under eyes. So what I normally do, I just let this sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes or so, and then I remove it. And once I remove it, I go ahead and I wash my face. Matter of fact, look how more awake my eyes are looking. This is a quick fix. All you need to do is to whip it up and use it. And if you have dark under eyes that you're trying to get rid of, then you might need to use this more often. Not only when you feel like your eyes are tired and you use it every day for your dark under eyes and your puffy eyes. If you do not have the cotton pads, you can also just dip in and just dab it under your eyes like that. Dab it under your eyes. Oh my goodness, this feels so good under my eyes. So you dab it under the eyes and you just let it sit under your eyes. Walk around the house, do whatever you have to do. This is a remedy that I really would like you all to try, especially if you struggle with dark under eye circles, wrinkles under the eye, puffy eyes, and eye bags. Also, if you wake up one morning and you have very tired eyes. So guess what I'm going to do for you? I'm going to share the recipe really quick. It's a very simple recipe, pretty easy to make. So do not click off, just continue watching the video. However, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, at the end of this video, we have other suggestions for other videos that you might want to watch. I also have a playlist for eye care, so go on my channel page and check that out. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up really quick. To clear dark under eye circles, I'm going to be using potato, and here I have a half of a medium Irish potato, also known as white potato. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the peel off the potato, and potato contains an ingredient known as catecholase, which help to lighten and brighten the under eyes. It also will help to get rid of puffy under eyes, and it will also help to reduce wrinkles under the eyes. So once I peeled my potato, I'm going to chop the potato in small pieces for easier blending. We are going to be blending. If you do not have a blender, go ahead and grate the potato. So place the potato in the blender and take a look at my second ingredient. I'm going to be using aloe vera gel, And I chose a fresh aloe vera gel today. Aloe vera gel helps to smooth the skin. It will help to get rid of the wrinkles under the eyes, and it will also help to diminish the dark under eye circles. Aloe vera gel is very cooling to the skin. It's an amazing natural ingredient to use topically, and it is safe to use under your eyes, as a matter of fact, all over your face. So place your aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera gel, in the blender with the potato. And I like to give this a little scrape. We're making a remedy for dark circles, puffy eyes, and eye bags. Now once this is done, take a look. Here I have some orange peel powder. And what I do, I actually dried my orange peel and blend it to a powder. So I am going to be using about a teaspoon of the orange peel powder, and I'm adding that to the blender along with the potato and the aloe vera gel. Now next I'm going to reach for some rose water, which is very hydrating to the skin, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the rose water. Pour that in. And now I am going to cover this and I'm going to blend. So you want to just cover. Give it a shake. Then I'm... Now after blending, I'm going to strain the mixture. I want to strain this. All we need from this is the juice. Go ahead and strain. Now after straining, take a look. Here it is. This is our liquid. This is what we're going to use under our eyes, but guess what, guys, we're not done with this as yet. And next I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to this, about a teaspoon of olive oil. You can choose to add grapeseed oil, coconut oil, oil of choice, and we're just going to blend this in the mixture. We're going to blend well, totally mix this in. Now once this is done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this and I'm going to place this in the refrigerator to chill. This is what we're going to use under our eyes to help to get rid of dark under eye circles, puffy eyes, and eye bags. And there you have it. Quick and easy, a very simple recipe to make. And guess what? It costs next to nothing, but it gives you effective results. So go ahead, whip it up, and guess what you do for me? Comment. What other ingredient would you add to this recipe? And also, what ingredient will you take away from the recipe? Personally, there's nothing to take away, but I just want to hear your opinion. So comment, and don't forget to give the video a like. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.